Nice cold weather out here, people. Viral Fam Nation. What's happening? Nice cold weather. It's still winter, but it's spring, I suppose people would say. I'm on the beach now. Just gonna go in for a little beach wave. I'm gonna throw a stone somewhere. I'm gonna throw it over there. Right over there. Yeah. That was a fail. Big rock. Oh. Heavy rock.
Nice whip.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm vlogging. Yeah. I'm vlogging again. Ow.
That's very painful.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know.